Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Zay, and today it's Thursday, February 9th, and let me just show you what we got right here. So I'm looking to see how price finishes, but just on a smaller time frame. On the big time frame, it obviously looks like it can push up. Let's go ahead and draw out this EMA right here because this is something that could show us that yes, price is going to make its way up, but if I'm sticking to my strategy and I'm sticking to what I believe this area can do, I think price should fall off from here. As you can see right here, we have a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, higher high, lower low. This low broke both of these lows. So at that point, we can draw out our fib from the top to the bottom, and then we look for anything inside that shows us why price reacted this way. Now, yesterday I seen an IBC, which was respected up top right here. You can see the candle on this side, the bottom of the higher low, and you can see how price respected it here. And then after price gave me this loss here yesterday, it pushed up to the IBC and used that as resistance. So that's something that is showing again right here. Now, let me draw it out right now. This IBC is right in the golden zone here. We could draw it out and we could see we got a tweezer top right here, two wicks in and out. Now it's kind of making its way down. So, I mean, obviously I would have liked to take the trade right here, but it is what it is. Let's go ahead and change this, make this the right color. This is a sell-off ILC, and it's right in the golden zone. Boom. And we also got to remember, this is the 4 hour that we've been playing off of the past 2 weeks, right? So that's another reason why I'd like to take this trade right here. But I wouldn't like to take it right here at this exact moment, but somewhere around this area is where we can. Here we'd have about a 70 pip stop loss, which isn't bad, but like I said, I think there's a chance that it does push up on us just because of the way price looks maybe on the bigger time frame. You can see here on the 1 hour, we got a higher high, a higher low. Well, it's not a higher high yet, but it broke these highs here, which could signal, a break of structure to the upside and could finally break through. So that's what I'm worried about on this trade. So for me, I think I'm going to make sure that I go a little bit high, wait for a bit of a retracement back to the zone. Hopefully we get a retest at the zone at open, give us a better position, and then we could take the trade. So depending on how these candles finish right now in the 15-minute and the 5-minute, 15-minute looks good to come down, 5-minute looks good to come down. You can kind of see the reaction right here. But yeah, let's see if we can get a retracement up to the zone right here. This will be the one that gives us a shot, right? Because again, you can see it here on the 5-minute, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So it broke these two lower lows, and that's all we need to signal that, okay, maybe there's a retracement coming and a break of structure to the downside. And if we take this trade the right way, that's the break of structure. If we take this trade the right way, I mean, obviously it has to break through some things. This red box, that's why my shit looks so messy sometimes, but it's all for a reason. You can see this red box right here inside of the golden zone. And you can see how once price, it used it as resistance at the bottom. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Then it went to using it after it broke through it as support, 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 support. So now's a key area if it's going to break through or if it's going to push back up. All of it is basically going to tell us what it is. So kind of sucks. I didn't catch the trade up top. It's about 32 pips in profit, so it's not too bad. It's not too far away, but we don't know if it'll, retest this area or if it's just going to blow past this area. But I'm going to just trust the strategy, trust this area in the zone, and hopefully we can see it fall off. Yeah, you can see NASDAQ's kind of doing the same thing right here, except you can tell it's creating higher highs actually. Actually not. It's on top of here. But if you go to let's go to the 30-minute real quick. This is what I drew out for Tuesday. You can see how it played out perfectly. Came up to the ILC, it fell off, and it pushed up, broke it, came down here, used the daily as support, pushed back up again yesterday. Oh, it's pretty nice. So it could fall off from here too. You can see how price is using a bunch of rejections at this zone. So we could see it come up to this area and fall off. But I mean, unemployment was bad, which is higher than expected, which is a good thing for what the economy, well, for what the Fed wants right now. They want unemployment numbers to go up. So we'll see how it plays out. But I think I like US30 more just because I trust this area more, this 4-hour golden zone. So let's see if it gives us an opportunity to hop in, and then we'll take it from there. Change these to the right color. So these are the 50 EMAs. This is the 5-minute, I believe, and this is the 15-minute. You know that these can be respected at all points and used as resistance and support. And you can see how this 5-minute used it as support, broke through. Then it used the 1-minute as resistance, broke through the 5-minute. Now it's using it as resistance. So that's why I like to use these EMAs. So we'll see if price gives us a retest back up here. Hopefully we can get that retest and then fall off at open. That'll be the trade that I'm looking for today. Again, it could push up. Maybe we see something like it come bounce off the 50 EMA and push up, but let's trust the breaker structure. Let's see what people are thinking too.
So, what are you looking to put in on seller?
Here would be 34, 185. So I have this line right here. Obviously, it's for a reason. You can see support and resistance right here. You can see how price is kind of using it on both sides. So I'll be looking for a sell around that 34, 184 area. For you, it might be a little bit different since you're on a different broker. For you, it might be different too. I don't know what's what. But you can see it's kind of making its way up right here on the 5-minute 50 EMA now. So let's see if we get our retrace. We got about 3 minutes till open. So, but I do like that this low broke this low. So let's trust it. But you could also see here as well. I actually didn't even pay attention to this. This little IOC right here. This little 5-minute. And that's obviously a buying IOC with the big push up. Let's see if it does have any like what percent that's at. I would go, I mean, the most recent lows down there. That shit's ugly how it pushed up like that.
That's what you wanted, no?
This little push up. I mean, I'm just saying it's ugly the way it looks. Damn, you know what? It did. Oh, dang. Let's see how this. I don't know if I like the way it's finishing. I mean, we'll see. We'll see what the market gives us right now. You know, it's a risk, so we'll see what if it goes our way. So what is it? February 9th. So unemployment, they expected 191,000 claims. They had 196,000. So that's pretty good, I guess, in terms of, I remember hearing that that's what he wants. And then we have FOMC, member speaking tomorrow. Oh, and we have inflation expectations tomorrow, which should be big. So we'll see what's what right now. Go time in about 1.5 minutes, so let's see. Looking for sales. We're about 10 pips away already from our sell-off area. 184 is where I'm looking at up here. Yeah, it's a big rejection. So it would be, if you're going up here, it would be like, zoom in a little bit. So it would be right at that wick right there. That top number, which is 200. Looks like 200, yeah. Alright, so the one thing I don't like is this big push up right here. It's like an engulfing push up. Right before I would have liked this to happen, I would have liked for these to finish down here and then at open for it to push up, tap this and then reject, but let's see. See what it gives us. Alright, about 20 seconds till open. Let's see what's what. About 12 pips away from where I want to be. Oh, hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. I don't know, shit. I'm trusted, it's right there. I'm gonna just try and trust it, but shit, we'll see. I put a sell in. Shit, it might just blow past all of this. The way that looks. Oh yeah, that shit's out of here, I think. Well, let's see if it gives us what we want. If not, damn, look at that shit. Still hasn't hit her stop loss, but the way it's looking, I ain't gonna lie, it looks pretty bad. Let's see if it gives us a nice reject down. Oh, oh. It's a lot of movement, but it looks like it's getting pulled to the upside. Damn. That shit is playing with my emotions right now. Yeah, it looks like it might pull up on us right now. Let's see. Oh. 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 We're only up about 10 pips, 15 pips right now. 5 pips. Yeah, I don't like the way it's reacting off the 1 minute 50 EMA right now. Let me show you where. On the 1 minute chart, you can see how the EMA is being respected. Let's see if it can break through this. This is going to be an important time right here. If it doesn't break through this, we know that there's a good chance it could push up. Just the momentum that's being pulled up to the upside. So this is a key area right here for us. It's not breaking it. Come on. Fuck.
Give me my money, baby.
Damn. You see how it's not breaking through here? This is some... Damn. We got to have it finish bare. If it finishes like this, then that means there's a good chance it could push up from here. I don't know if I like it. Damn, yeah, that shit looks like it might come out. Yeah, what do you think? What do you guys think?
It's gonna go down, dog. Universe loves us. She's gonna fall off the face of the earth. We're just scaring her.
It's like it wants to come down, but it's stuck in a rock and a hard place right now or something. 15 seconds left. If it finishes like this, all bullish, then we know that there's a good chance it comes up. But if it finishes bearish, then we know that there's a good chance that it comes down. But it has to finish down here. Come on, man. Let's fall off.
There you go, baby. 7. Remember the 7. Some good years. Cocaine.
Come on. Come on. We're only up about 10 pips still. Still hasn't broken the zone. You can see how it's still respecting the area right here. So let's see if it does what we want it to do. Keeps tapping this and pulling up on us. I do have a line right here on my chart.
There you
And it looks like it's bouncing off of this line. So we just got to be mindful of this support level that's here. Still respecting it. Oh my god. Break through that motherfucker, dog. I'm trying to trust it, but it's giving me a... It's making it hard for me, I ain't gonna lie. See how the 5-minute finished? I mean, the 5-minute finished pretty indecisive, but I like the wick right here. The only thing is if it... I mean, it's kind of an undecisive wick, so... We'll see if it can break through this shit. Make it through. Okay. It has to break through here, though. Remember this line? It's right there. So it has to break through here. This isn't enough. It needs more than that. It needs more than that. Wow. That shit's still respecting that line, dog. Wow.
There you go.
Break through that motherfucker, man.
It's getting beautiful, baby.
It's not breaking through. The fuck? Now at this point, it's gone down 40 pips from our entry. If it comes back close to my... Oh, fuck. It looks like it's coming back. I think I'm going to just pull my position if it makes it up to my 84 spot. Because I can't move my stops to break even. I don't know. Something with the prop firm. They'll just pull my trade. Come on. Break through that shit. Make your way down, homie. Come on. Right here. Still 30 seconds left on this candle. So, see if it can make its way down these last 30. If it can make it down another 20 pips in these last 30 seconds, we're in business. Okay, that's 10. We need another, at least another 10 right here. If we get another 10 right here, then I think we're golden. But you see how it reacted to the 5-minute 50 EMA now? That's what it was on. Damn. Still respecting the zone. Come on. We're only up 10 pips, 15 pips. Come on, man. Break through that motherfucker. Alright, let's see if it can go. Come on. Break through this. Now this support level, we know it's strong here. You can see exactly what it did as soon as it touched this support level. Or this IOC, this buy IOC, right? I don't like that rejection. That's about a 20 pip rejection right there. If it finishes that way. Rejections that big are never that good. Uh, Damn, this motherfucker right here, dog. Trying to trust it, but it didn't do what we needed it to do. Now it looks like it's on its way up. That's about 30 pips right there. No fucking way. Wow. This 5 minute candles, if it finishes bullish, then I'm probably going to get out the trade. You can see here on the 5 minute how it's looking. We needed to finish down here because it's giving us a bullish rejections. It's now on top of the support, on top of this resistance to support area. So I mean, this is big right here on these candles right here. If it sits on top and use, damn. It needs to fall off right here. Has to. Mandos. Has to fall off. Come on. I ain't gonna lie, this week has been it's been choppy. It hasn't been getting to the point. It's really been playing, and look at that. Yeah, looks like it's gonna finish bullish. Alright. I just got out of the trade. I'm just not too sure. I'm convinced of what it's doing. I'm just not too convinced, honestly. It looks like it's kind of gonna go up. I just don't know.
Shut down. There you go. God, there you go. Expecting that shit to fall. Sometimes this market we should just be like, no, disrespectful.
Yeah, this shit looks like it wants to come up. It's playing right in between our zones right here. Come on, man. Come on, dog. Break through that motherfucker. We're still here. Let's go, man. Finish strong.
It's alright, it's gonna drop the more though. It's gonna start getting disrespect. Fuck that. Drop like that.
The 15 minutes gonna finish right now in 2 minutes. I like for it to finish bearish, but right now it's finishing bullish. You seen that big pump up? Damn. Wow. That's crazy. Yeah, that looks like it's coming up on us. I'm not too sure. I'm really not too sure what's happening.
Baby, baby, baby.
Honestly, dog, it might just play right here. Might be one of those days. Market's tired of moving.
Moving his way down. Let's go pull down low.
Yeah, that's what. But 15-minute finish crazy right now.
It's okay. Okay, about to get some just came down there. Thing. Thing.
I like that it's bullish, but look at that rejection again.
I'm fixing to pull my trades. Yeah, right. Riding this chop. This way. I get like I don't fight up. Do it today.
Shit's not falling.
Oh, actually, that.
So we'll see right here. This is it's key right here, right? It's still respecting the 5-minute 50 EMA, and it's still pushing up on us. Wow, this looks crazy, dog. Wow. That shit's coming up, I think, dog. Look at how ugly that shit is. Up, down, up, down. I think it's making its way up, dog.
Little by little.
Little by little.
Interesting analysis.
I mean, it's still respecting the golden zone, but not really.
Hmm.
There it goes. Damn. Look at that.
Trying.
It's trusted. I mean, it's still respecting the area, but honestly, I think it wants to make its way up. The 5 minutes about to finish real bullish right now. So I think, yeah, I think it's probably coming up on us. See what it does right here. Damn. Yeah, that shit might be out of here now. Damn. Yeah, that shit's out of here. I just closed my positions. I took a $2,000 loss. I don't know. You can see what it did. It played here, it gave us hope. But at the end of the day, it was just a retrace back onto this level. Finished up top right here. Once it did this, I think we should have known that it was going to flip and make its way up here. So it is what it is. I think I'm going to just go ahead and call it at this point. No need to keep over trading. You can see that this high has now broken this high. This shit might, I mean, let me show you guys something real quick. I have this little area right here, but I don't know if you guys want to take that risk because it looks like it might be out of here. Out of here. You can see it moving up.
Shit, I want to put in another fucking story.
It's a risk. So if we were to put in a sell, like right where it's at right here, I mean, it could. I would probably wait, but
I put in a fucking toe.
yeah, you're not looking at too bad of a stop loss. Maybe about. I mean, it has this whole wick, so yeah, you actually do have a pretty big stop loss. 100 pips.
I think she's took everybody out with their stop losses, right?
Maybe. That'd be right.
That's just about to fall off.
I mean, it's a nice little fall off real quick. But, I mean, the way it's looking, it could still push up. I'm going to look at it this way.
Pretty soon.
Right now, just now, instead of using this area as resistance as it was, now I use it as support with the EMA. So it could just keep coming up, but I mean, hopefully it doesn't. Let's see right now. I took my losses right here, about 2K in losses. And we'll see what the market gives us here. If it rejects this again, then we know that fuck, it could, oh shit. Key area right here. Key zone, key zone. If it doesn't break this, then we know that it could, you know. Big rejection off the EMA right here. You seen that? That's not that good, but let's see if it can continue this push down. I like the way the 5-minute finished, the huge rejection candle. But I mean, like I said, it still could push up on us, so let's see. See if it can break through all this shit. I would like to take this, you know, down here. So we'll see. Still not breaking it. See how I used the area of support right there? I would like to take this shit like way down here. 140 pips, that sounds nice, but just depends, just depends. Yeah, look at that push. Just gotta break through here. See how I used it as support? But let's see if it can use this and just fall off. Might be the goal. "44 seconds left. Like the way that looks." 5-minute looked great. Let's see if it can continue its way down from here. That shit's really pumping.
I feel like the buyers are coming in and it's going to take everybody out.
That definitely could happen. It has to break through this. If it doesn't break through this stuff, again, we got to know that there's a chance it comes up. The same way I said here, right? If it doesn't break through this stuff, it's a good chance it comes up, and that's exactly what it did. So let's see. You see how it's using this area of support as well? You can see it here. It's using both of these zones, so let's see. Whoa. It's got to break through here, though. Hasn't broken through shit yet. Oh. Hasn't broken through shit yet, though. Let's see. Still at the support level. Still at the support level. Oh, shit, son. Alright, let's see. See that? That's another big rejection at that level. This area is just being respected with this EMA, so we got to be mindful of that. See if it can. 7 o'clock is coming right here. I think we had news coming out at 7, didn't we? Well, at 7:30. It's not big news though. See if we can use this stuff as resistance now and fall off. That's the goal right here. I've closed some profits. I'm up $1,300 right now. I mean, I'm down $1,300 instead of that 2050. I got 1,100 floating right now. We'll see if it does what we want it to do, hopefully. I like the way the 15-minute looks. It looks like it should come down, but there's no guarantees right here. Wow. Tell me, dog. I'm looking at, I mean, I want to take profits at like 34, like 09, like 34 100, I guess. But we'll see if it comes down first. You see, it's not really doing what we want it to do right here. See how it's making its... This is going to be key right here. Like the IOC and all this stuff right here is going to be key. Hopefully it uses it as resistance and comes down. If it doesn't, then we're fucked. Wow. No way. Is that shit really coming up again? This motherfucker here. I think today might be one of those days, if I'm just being honest. What the fuck? I mean, now it looks like it's coming up.
Just to scare everybody, you know what I mean?
It's doing a good job.
That's all it is. Scaring me.
Looks like that motherfucker's coming up.
Well, from what I've seen in the past, this is when I was.
I mean, if it, I'd be pissed right now. I was at fucking like $1,400 at the fucking bottom of this shit.
Hold up 5 grand.
This guy, huh? If you didn't pull it,
Got stuck. I can't get out of my. Yeah.
let's see. Should have been good stuff. I'm not sure though.
I got stuck.
It's on top of the EMA right here. It's got, you know, possibility to push up on us, but let's hope that this area is still strong, right? Got a bunch of rejections here. Hopefully we see this thing come down, but you never know. I want to add a position, but then I'm like, nah, let me just keep the position up top. We'll just leave it there. Fuck, it might be that type of day where it's just consolidated all day.
That's to the downside.
Hopefully.
Nice.
At least make it down here. You know what I mean?
Rejection, though, dog. Nice.
Remember, has to break through this now. So let's see. Still sitting on top of this. Damn, dog. You stupid hooker. No offense to all the hookers out there.
The escorts.
Sorry, escorts. Damn, look at that rejection, dog.
It's a good rejection.
Not for us.
Oh no, but from the top going down, shit was way up there.
Yeah, but look at it now. It's gonna finish right now. Hopefully bearish. No, I didn't finish bearish. Come on, man. This is it. This is where you go. Come on.
Yeah, damn it.
Yeah, fuck this trade, I think. Wow. This shit might just fly up on us, though.
It's gonna drop. It's gonna fly up. Stays up.
I don't know, guys. This might be the ugliest open that we've had in a while. And it looks to be making its way up again. So, for me, I think I'm going to just call it a day. I'm down 1,300 right now. I have 500 and something floating right now, and it looks like it's coming up. So, yeah, I don't know. Just the way it looks to me is it's playing. It's not doing what we want it to do necessarily. It's still in this zone, so like my stop loss is going to be right above probably this wick. Because if it comes up too much, then I'm going to be losing money. And, yeah, there's no point at this point.
Shit, I should drop.
I'm trying to hold hope, but has a lot of shit to get through that it'll get through it, and reject and come back up. Get through it, reject and come back up. Get through it. That shit's done this shit multiple times already, so. Damn, dog. Oh, I put it outside, my bad. Oh, you're done with it? I thought you were done with it. Right there on the floor to the right. See, this is what you call an ugly ass open, dog. Just it playing like this is. Most people would tell you not to trade this shit. I'm just holding hope. You know what I mean? That's it. Just holding hope. Trying to trust it. This low broke it just by a little bit. This low broke that low just a little bit. Man, I think I told you guys before, like, that's one of the most dangerous things you could do in indices is be a breakout trader. Because look at what happens. If you put a breakout trade right here, you would have got eaten the fuck up. So you just got to be careful with that shit. We need this thing to finish more bearish here. You see that? Rejecting off of the EMA. That's not going to cut it. We need it to finish more bearish, and that ain't gonna. Yeah, you see that? Now it's using the EMAs. It might just be time to fucking get out. Strange. $30 seconds left, and it looks like it wants to go up. Damn, dog. And me, I don't want to put no buys in because we're in the 4-hour golden zone. So, I mean, I wouldn't recommend it, but to me, it looks like it's going up. It has momentum. It's getting pulled to the upside.
That shit is sitting out. I'm thugging it out though. Fuck that. I'm thugging it out. That shit's gonna drop. I hold faith in the universe because the universe loves me, dog, and I want to make it. St. Richard, you're gonna make it.
You gotta make it, Cholo.
Don't worry.
You gotta make it.
I love the country. The timing was way up there. But then now it's just consolidating right to where I got in. See, I got in at 195, 202, and 208. But it had hit low for when I was up 5 racks.
That's why you gotta pull it, dude.
Yeah, I see.
I remember this guy last week is like, if it's fucking 3K, I don't give a fuck. I'm pulling it. Pulling it.
No, but I have faith in what's going to go on right now because it's so high. You know what I mean? When we reach such a high area that it has to fall.
Remember, it doesn't have to fall, though.
It hasn't reached this high since January 13th and December 20th. That's all I'm saying.
Lord, break through. If you don't break through this shit, I'm gonna break you, you fucking computer.
There you go.
Come on. Give me something. Give me some choncho. I fucking rejected it again, you stupid. Fuck it. I'm done. Right at the EMA, dog. I was a fucking 1500 right now.
I was up 3 racks.
This shit's stupid now.
But it's gonna drop right now. You guys just gotta hold faith. Quit getting all scared and shit. It's gonna give us the choncho. Wait. I'm being patient. Look at me.
I think, unfortunately, Richard, I think,
we've seen this kind of build up before, dog. I've been looking at my shit. I've been looking at my fucking maps. All this shit you showed me. Fucking Master Miyagi. That's just what the market does, dog. It goes up like that and comes.
see, let's see if it holds this shit and comes the fuck
December
down.
7th and it didn't drop.
Let's see if it comes down right here. 35 seconds
January
left.
9th, it didn't
Let's
drop.
see if it finishes down here. Has to finish, though. If it finishes and wicks out again, then honestly, I might just call it a day right there. I'm trying to trust it. This is a lot of trust right here. Isaiah from 2 years ago, I would have lost fucking $5,000 and called it a day.
There you go. You just gotta trust the process.
It worked out again.
Just gotta trust the process. Because think about it, that shit went up 16, 140 pips.
Come on, this is the move right here. This is your moment, baby girl. It's time for you to shine. Come on. Wow. This is a stupid ass move.
Who's Bob Marley?
When I see it, it's giving me hope. But the respect that it's showing right here at this level is fucking insane. Right here. It's go time. Right on top. See how it's right on top? It's go time. Come on, man.
See that?
This is big right here. If it rejects this again, then
it's gonna drop 200 pips.
We got to know that, okay, at some point, like, I don't know if it's gonna break through this shit.
I'm just gonna
respecting it again.
2 minutes.
Wow. Oh shit, son. Look at what it's doing now. It's fully engulfing on this side, on this 15-minute candle. I think, yeah, went right back up.
No, it's just a lot of consolidation. Yeah. Dropping the bearish. Time we got 15 minutes till the news comes out.
See how this 15-minute candle finishes. This is going to be big because that isn't going to cut it right there.
Shit, no. Smaller than that.
Look at that. Yeah, honestly, it just might be that type of day. Okay. Still using this as resistance, but for me, it's just, I think it's showing more respect to this right here than it is up here. Yeah, look at that right here, the way the 15-minute finished. Yeah, look at that shit. I just closed all my shit. I ended up at negative 1250 for the day. For me, I just don't like the way it's looking right now. It looks like it wants to break up out of here. The consolidation is real. You can see the push up that it's giving right here. Yeah, it's a lot of momentum to the upside right here. A lot. So
I'm gonna be like Q Banks and just hold my trade.
yeah, it's a good way to look at it. This is going to be big right here again, but like I said, the way it's consolidating, it's fucking ugly.
You should have put your trade in the there when I told you.
I did. Yeah.
You're up 35.
I just don't
More
like
50.
I just don't like it, dog. I think there's a lot of momentum to the upside.
Still winning.
Yeah, I shouldn't have pulled it. You're right. This shit's irritating me now. This level's still being respected. Fucking shit's crazy. This too. I'm done for the day though. Just gonna keep it where it's at. That's crazy what it did today though.
I think closing up. So
Yeah.
if I do that, then my fucking. So
It's a good mindset to have. What's wrong game? If I could enter some right here, too bad. Let's see how it finished. So that looks like it might. Perspective. This shit.
I'm a negative 11. So, but then see how it works.
That looks like it's coming down. God damn. See what it does, man. Oh shit, son.
He's saying, hold on, bitch. Hold on.
You know what's funny is like twice I could have closed my positions at to get to zero again. I didn't because I'm like trust that it's gonna go down farther. You know, that's one of the fuckers that I'm having today with this consolidation.
How many buyers?
You know what it's still doing? It's still holding the EMAs on the 1 minute chart.
I'm losing everything.
This is the area where Look at that. Look at the rejection it did again right here, dog. So I'm saying, I think this shit is done for, dog. I think today is that type of day. Yeah, it might go up. The way it looks on the bigger time frames is showing me that it could go up. But we got 5 minutes left on this one. 5 minutes left on this candle, and it looks cool, but you see how it's still wicking out of the zone? It's not that good, dog.
Yeah, but that's what it does.
I hope you're right. I'm trying to trust it. Oh, shit, son.
Trust it with him still having this time.
See, it's in this zone again. I fucking hate this zone.
Oh, I think. I was.
Pull it out, fool.
Oh, yeah, when Tom said 3,000.
Not the whole thing. How much are you up for the day? You're at zero for the day?
I didn't pull anything. Haven't made anything today.
So you're at zero for the day?
Yeah.
Make 1,000. Secure that.
No, I thought that I'll make a rack. Okay, oh, you see, look, it's dropping. If you wanted me to pull a rack, look at you walking.
Pull a rack.
Oh. So rack's gonna be done. Sure. Watch.
Still stuck in that support.
Coming probably. So, hit down the hit the 30, baby. There you go. There you go. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah.
That shit did it again. You stupid whore.
Yes! Fuck yeah, baby!
Where you at?
Fuck yeah! Just on one of mine's too. Oh! Get down there, baby! Get the fuck down, that's what I'm talking about!
Let's go.
Let's go, baby!
Let's go, man.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Now it's on the EMA right there.
What do I do, dog? What do I do? Fuck it, I pulled it. 2,100 right now, just on one. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. Back down there. Keep on going. There you go. Keep on going.
Right on the EMA. That shit was perfect. I wish I went as big as this one did, but I'm back in the positive. I'm up 400 for the day. That's probably what I need to do, but I'm too fucking. I gotta be in control, like see my shit.
Especially with this new one, we can't really do stop loss. There you go. Drop, baby. Down the floor. Come on, baby. Give me 100 pips. Just give me 100 pips. 30 more. That's all I need.
I know my fucking TP was at 34,100. I should have missed it by like 5 pips, 6 pips.
Should have held it.
I should have. If I did hold that one plus the one that I added, that'd be up like 2 racks today.
There you go.
So you can see what it's doing right here on top of this area. It's just respecting it.
Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. It's fucking beautiful, homie. What you talking about, homie? Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Let's see if it falls.
Come on,
so the
baby.
one thing I like right here, if it does break through here, if it does, is it has this whole area right here to reach. But we have these zones that it's respected multiple times. Actually, that makes sense now.
Come on, baby.
Respected that so
there
long.
You go. There you go. Fucking beautiful. Let's go, baby. Come on, Mr. Miyagi, do you see this missing wax on, nigga? Come on. Come on, baby. Fuck you, Julian. Oh my goodness. Sorry. I'm alive. Sorry.
I mean, I don't know if it's gonna break through here.
Let's go, baby.
You can see what it's kind of doing right here.
Oh, baby.
Hey, fool, worst thing you could do is wait for 100 pips over 3. I've done that shit before. I've done that shit before, fucking vivid.
What happened?
Where I've waited for 100 pips, and then it fucking reverses at 96.
I'll push this motherfucker. I'll push this motherfucker right now. Oh, there you go, baby. This shit is down, so it's going down, baby. Down. Like wrestling, like takedowns. Fight. 4.
So on the position that I do have in, I'm up 75 pips right now. It's kind of making its way back up. Yeah, fuck it. I mean, that fool's righteous for getting through the mud like that. I got through the mud, lost 2 racks. Now I'm up 460 for the day. I'm going to just leave it at that. Today was a stressful morning for me. So 460 on the day. We're up about, 2% on the account. So we need 8% more to pass the funded account. And then, yeah, I think today was solid for the most part. You know, trying to fucking hold it all throughout the bullshit. I think it still could come down, but we just got to remember what it's respecting, higher highs and higher lows. This could just be a higher low. But at the end of the day, it's about making money. So $500 ain't too bad for the day. Yeah, hopefully we got a better setup tomorrow. I mean, this was a clean setup. Hopefully it'll do what we needed to do, which is just get the fuck out of here. So we'll see what happens, but hope you guys were able to take something from today. Today was one of them ugly ass, choppy ass days. That, you know, fuck it. It is what it is. It is what it is, and I'll take it. Ain't too bad. I was surprised I even made it out alive, to be honest. So it's all gravy, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be on at 6:15 if you guys want to hop on. You guys have yourselves a good one. Thank you.